Alright, today we're going to learn to estimate products and quotients. Product means to what? Multiply. And quotient means to? Divide. So we're going to learn to multiply and divide, but we're estimating. Okay, so you got to round. 49.68 rounds to 50. Okay, and 4.41 rounds to 4. 50 divided by 4 is 12.5, so we'll say it's 13. Okay, so we just estimated. Now, you're going to be expected to do these in your head without even putting pencil to paper. So don't even pick your pencil up. Put your pencil down. You're going to need to be able to do these without even writing. Okay? Now we have 20 times 5 over 9. 5 over 9 rounds to what? 1/2. Isn't 5 over 10 1/2?
Yes.
Isn't this 1/2?
Yes.
So isn't this real close to that? So 20 times 1/2. That means basically what's half of 20. Okay? So I want you to see 20 times 1/2 basically means 20 divided by 2, which is what? 10. So you see, you need to be able to do all these in your head. Okay? Round them and then do it in your head. So yeah, 20 times 1/2 is 10. Okay? So let's look at these. 9.7 times 4.8. This is really 10 times 5, which is 50. See how easy that was? Here we got 5 divided by 7 over 16. 7 over 16 rounds to what? 1/2. Okay? So you've got 5 divided by 1/2. Now this is really 5 over 1 divided by 1/2. Y'all learned last year when you have a fraction divided by a fraction, what do? You can, well, that works. 5 times 2 is 10. No, let's see.
It ain't gonna work for
Yeah, that works. It works. I mean, really what I teach is leave, change, flip.
Yeah, that's yeah, we did that in 6th grade though.
Leave, change, flip. So you leave 5 over 1 the same. You change the sign from divide to what?
Multiply.
Multiply, and you flip 1/2 to 2 over 1. What's 5 times 2?
10.
10 over 1, which equals what? 10.
Yeah, I remember that.
Look at the last one. You got 29.3, which rounds to 30, divided by 1.8, which rounds to 2. So what's...
29.
But you want to make it easy, because 29 divided by 2 is harder than 30 divided by 2, isn't it? So we're going to round 29.3 to 30, and we're going to divide it by 2. 30 divided by 2 is? 15, and that's your answer. You see that? So you're doing all these in your head. Alright, 17.7. Why don't, I know 18 is something good to round it to, so let's round it to 18 and multiply it. 5.9 rounds to 6. So now let me show you how to do this in your head. See if you can do it. Okay, watch me. 18 is the same thing as 10 plus 8, isn't it?
Alright.
What's 6 times 10? What's 6 times 8? So now can you do 60 plus 48? 108. Do you see how I did that? I broke up 18, because I don't know what 6 times 18 is, do I? No, but I know what 6 times 10 and 6 times 8 are, so I just add them together. You see that? Okay? Here you've got 8 divided by 4, which is what? 2. Here you've got, we could make it 11, but is 11 divisible by anything? No, but it's multiplied. So let's go 11 times 3, 2.7 rounded to 3, which is 33. Here we've got 9.7, which is 10, divided by 4.8, which is 5. So what's it equal? 2. Alright, 14.9 rounds to 15, divided by 2.8, divided by, or rounds to 3. 15 divided by 3 equals 5. 19.9 rounds to 20. 3.7 rounds to 4. 20 divided by 4 is, here you got 2 over 5. 2 over 5 rounds to 1/2. 1/2 times 1.8, which is 2. Half of 2 is 1. Here you've got 11 over 20, which rounds to 1/2, times 3. Half of 3 is 1.5. Caroline, if you have $3, what's half of that? $1.50. Good. Now the first one's 25 times 2.9. 25 times 2.9 is just like 25 times 3, which equals what?
75.
Good. You should be able to just do these in your head. 9 divided by 2 and 11 twelfths. 11 twelfths rounds to 1, so 2 and 11 twelfths rounds to 3. 9 divided by 3 is? 87 over 24. 88 over 24 is 2, right? So 87 over 44 rounds to what? 2. So we've got 2 times, and 1.96 rounds to what? So 2 times 2 is 4. Here we've got 25 divided by 5, 4.9. 4.9 rounds to what, Caroline?
5.
So we got 25 divided by 5, which equals what? 5. Alright, so today we learned how to solve for a product by estimating. So we learned how to multiply after we estimated, right? And we also learned how to divide after we estimated, correct? This is the kind of stuff you're really going to use when you go like to the grocery store, okay? When I go in, I know I can spend $50 maybe, okay? So I walk in and say something's $4.59, I might round that to $4.50, right? And then something else might be $9.88, I might round that just to 10. And so I'm keeping in my head what I've spent. Does that make sense? This is the kind of stuff you're going to actually use in real life. Or